So now I have all the information I want in my cells. I wanted to make it a little bit easier to read. So I'm going to put some borders around the cell. So to do that, I'm going to click on the first cell, hold Shift, and then click down onto the last cell, and that will highlight all the cells I'm using. I'm going to come up here to this little square window pane, and I'm going to click on Borders. And I'm going to select the border type I'd like. In this instance, I want it to be on all the borders of the cell, so I'm going to click on All Borders. And it's going to come up with this nice, neat line. I'm also going to use some colour. So again, I'm going to highlight the cells I want to use by clicking the first one, holding Shift and clicking the second one. And I'm going to add some colour with the Fill Colour button, which is this pouring bucket up here. And I'm going to select my colour. You can select the entire row or the entire column to colour. So to do that, you can press the number or the letter and you'll see it turns blue. So I'll show you what that looks like. It does colour the entire row or the entire column, so you can see that it comes all the way down, even on the cells I'm not using. If you've done that by mistake, you can come up here to undo, just press that and it will undo again. You can also press reset, which would change the colour back to the default, which is white. I also want to freeze one of my title rows. So freezing means that it will stay still and you can scroll around it. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to want to freeze this first row. So I'm going to go up to View, I'm going to go to Freeze, and I'm going to select the first row, which is row 1. Because I haven't selected all the others, it will take me up to row 7 because that's the one that I've got my mouse clicked on. And that would mean that all the following rows would be selected. I could just select row 1, and again, that would come up as row 1 here. So I'm going to press row 1, and you can see that when I scroll, that row stays the same, and everything else scrolls around it. If you've made a mistake, you can again go back, you can press undo, or you can press the row again, go to View, go to Freeze, and press No Rows. You can do the same with a column, so you can select the whole column and then scroll side to side to keep it nice and clear and easy to read.